So, Samsung finally confirmed what we've all been waiting for. We've got the name, the release date, the price, everything. And honestly, this might just be Samsung's boldest foldable yet. But of course, Samsung being Samsung, they couldn't resist doing something that takes a bit of that excitement away. Let's get into it. First up, the name. After months of leaks and confusion, we finally have the official name for Samsung's first dual folding phone. And even though it folds in that G-style mechanism, it's not called the Galaxy G Fold or the G Flex. Samsung's keeping it simple with the name Galaxy Z Trifold. Yep, it's staying inside the Z Fold family, and that's now confirmed from multiple reports straight from Samsung's homeland. According to those reports, Samsung's launching the Z Trifold in South Korea on December 5th, and plans to roll it out not only in Korea and China, but also across other Asian markets. And thanks to Bluetooth certification leaks, model numbers are hinting at something even bigger. A possible US launch as well. Sounds awesome so far. Well, here's the twist. Samsung's going big and expensive with a $3,000 starting price. And they're only making 20 to 30,000 units. That's way lower than what earlier leaks suggested. So yeah, Samsung might just launch it in South Korea and China first, kinda testing the waters to see if anyone's actually ready to drop $3,000 on a trifold. And if it sells well, they'll expand to other reported markets. That is what Samsung is already preparing for. The Z Trifold recently popped up on Singapore's IMDA regulatory database. And the DS in its model number confirms dual SIM support right out of the box. That matches the pattern we've seen with international Z Fold models. So yeah, it's coming sooner or later. Reports also say the Z Trifold measures just 4.2 millimeters when unfolded, and around 14 millimeters when folded up. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. That's about 60% thicker than the Fold 7. Yes, that's chunky. But remember, this thing unfolds into a massive 10-inch tablet, so that's still impressive. Even with slightly thicker bezels, Samsung still nailed the usability. When folded, you get a 6.5-inch outer display, giving you that familiar smartphone experience. Now when you bring Huawei's Mate XT into the mix, things get really interesting. Huawei went with an S-style fold, giving you more ways to use it: normal phone, single fold, or full tablet mode, where Samsung's version is just limited to 2 modes. But the durability is where Samsung absolutely wins. Huawei's Mate XT folds outward, leaving its main display completely exposed. One drop, one scratch, and you're done. Samsung's design folds inward, with an external display on the outside, keeping the main screens protected 24/7. Even though the Z Trifold's about 9% thicker, that protection and long-term durability matter way more. And Samsung didn't waste that extra space inside. They used it smartly. This is actually Samsung's first flagship phone to pack a massive 5,600 mAh battery. That's a 27% jump over the Fold 7, and it goes head-to-head with Huawei's Mate XT, so yeah, power isn't going to be a problem here. The Z Trifold uses the same camera system as the Z Fold lineup. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and comes with 16 GB of RAM. And with all the new multitasking tricks and productivity features, this thing just wipes out everything else on the market. I've already done a deep dive on all those features, so if you want to see what really makes the Trifold a beast, click right here to check it out. This is Techtics, and I'll see you there.